Uthemba lo nginobani namhlanje?
Mahu,
Please take us through the journey of your name. Igama lakho laqhamuka kanjani?
from OK Malumkuket.
Mhlawumbe ungathi wena what are two artists that inspired you ukuthi uqale ukwenza umculo?
I love music. I was 10 years old when I was doing this thing, but then ngaqhubeka with like a school, but like I don't know. I want to be honest with you.
Today is such a cool. Mhlawumbe ungathi performance yakho out of 10 ngayirate kuba out of 10.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Angikuphikisi.
I like the vibe. People are happy and I'm happy,
Yes.
It's a good combination.
Okay. Ingoma okade ukuyona like iGucci ehlukanisa unyaka yabo. Mhlawumbe ungathi wena what impact did it have on your career so far?
The song,
Yeah,
it's helped me, especially in KZN, because I feel like I'm a being, to be specific, but after doing like a Maskandi Gucci song, it's like it took me like elevate instead of going down.
So msikwazi uwumculo versatile yabo, siyakwazi ucula house, siyakwazi kumapiano, and now two step no maskandi. Mhlawumbe isecret yakho iyithini lapho?
Ukuthi if you are a singer, we don't have to be like in one genre. A good, like someone who's a vocalist can do anything. I believe like a pure, powerful vocalist can do anything.
Mhlawumbe is it in your mind mhlawumbe ukuthi ngelinye ilanga wenze igospel?
Yeah, because I'm coming from like ngikula khona vele ngikule on a gospel kind of. My mom is a Christian usindisiwe, so ngikhulele kuleyo vibe, and esontweni I was to lead a church. Yeah.
Today is Joe Cool. Please send a special shout out to Joe Cool.
Listen, Joe Cools, guys, I love you so much. Every time mengilana nkosiyami ngihlala kumnandi mengifika ngimbuza ukuthi vibe ithini wathalalela mahu every day kuyaziwa. It's so nice, and please book me again. Don't forget to add there's 30,000 after. When ngibooka again at 30,000 kule mali ngibooke ngayo.
And new music umculo omusha that your fans can look up to kulo nyaka.
Listen, I have this song, it's Bengicela Ungilalele Nami. The song is out, guys, and I'm a leading artist. Listen, I'm telling you that. And listen, I'm working on my EP. EP or album, because I have a lot of songs, and it's dropping in August.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you so much, Nganzani Jacob.